Hey guys, welcome to the first ever video on my channel, and today I'm going to be playing some Zombs Royale. So let's get into it right now. What? Okay. Okay, let's grab into solo. Let's get it. I haven't played this game in so long, I'm just gonna die. Die, die, die. Die, 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 die. It's muffin time, and I wanna die, die, die. Anywho. I forgot you can't build in this game. You can't build, right? Yeah, you can't build. Let me check the map. I'm gonna go Lucky Lake. Wherever that is. No, actually, I'm just gonna... Ah! Okay. I came 88th out of 89. Woohoo! Ooh, click to use flash. What? Or not. Let me check the map. Where do we land? Not since I'm really bad, I'm gonna land Haunted Hollow. How do I mark it? How do I mark the map? How do I mark the map?
You just press left click, I think.
Thank you, my friend Bao Bao.
Anytime, my friend Enzo.
Yeah, so guys, I'm here with my friend Bao Wow. He's playing Fortnite on his Nintendo Switch. I got a pump shotgun. Get off me.
Pump shotguns are bad in that game, big boy.
Come here. Come here.
Yeah.
You're dead. You're dead. I'm gonna kill you. Come here. Yes, I killed somebody. Woo. Come here. I'm gonna kill you. Oh, get hit. Ooh. What are these? What are these? Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Ah, pick it up. What the? I can't. Oh! I'm completely owning this game for my first time. What the? What is this lag? What is this lag? What is this? Get off me. Get off me. Oh my gosh. How am I? Oh my gosh. God. No. No. Oh my gosh. I got so many kills. I got 5 kills.
Yeah.
In my second match. That is
epic, man.
Oh. Okay. Whoa.
I just see this default.
Wait, no, I don't want to play again.
Yeah.
No. Oh, well, whatever. Okay, let's check the map. I think we're gonna go Lucky Lake again. Over there. Okay.
Where is everybody?
Okay, guys. Let's go happy.
Oh, I see you.
Ooh, let me take at you.
I see you.
Let me punch you.
Come here, ball!
Oh god, somebody use this tryhard. Yo, GG, bro. GG.
Bruh.
GG. Why are you thumbs downing me?
Oh.
Why are you... Yeah.
Wait, what?
Where's... I don't want to land Haunted Hills because everybody's landing. What? I know, I don't need it.
Yeah.
Seriously? A sniper. Let's see what I can do with a sniper, guys. What's this? A crate, I see. And, okay, I got an RPG. Ammo check. Oh! Darn it. Come here. Come here.
Come here, ball!
Come here, ball. Come here.
As the great Daquan says. Come here, ball!
Come here, you mummified mummy.
What does that even mean?
I don't know. Do, 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 do.
I like trains.
What the? What was that?
LeBron James.
Whatever. Can I get a skin, please? I want a skin. Log in. How do I log in? What? Ooh, log in with Google. This.
Don't show logging in, bruh.
Okay.
What do you
Do
mean?
I have any skin?
People already know you're.
Do I have skin? I don't know. Where do I see my... I haven't played this in so long. Where do I see my skin? Oh, okay. Right there, my outfit.
Oh, is that the
Okay.
default? Like,
I have the golden beetle.
Is that the AFK default? Oh, sup? Sup, man? Oh, I just killed an AFK default.
I'm a golden beetle.
Oh.
I'm a golden beetle.
Sorry,
I'm a
shoes.
golden beetle. Beetle, beetle, beetle. Beetle, 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 beetle. Juice. Beetle juice.
Where did the
Beetle
default kid
juice.
go?
Beetle juice. These people are so like... Okay, we're landing Lucky Lake, my friends, because that's apparently my lucky spot.
Bruh,
No
stop.
cringe time.
Just stop.
No cringe men.
What do you mean no cringe meant? Those cringe. Oh.
Yeet! Ah! I got a gun! Get off me! I got a gun! I got a gun! Get knocked. Oh! My kill! What? No!
Oh!
No!
I am beast!
No! How many kills did only...
Hey, there hasn't been much people in this game, so hey. And you got like 2 kills after.
Yeah, because that was a solo.
Yeah, die. 8
Why are you
kills.
thumbs down? Why are you thumbs down? Okay, we're going lucky again. Is that what they call a llama in the game? Give me this stuff. It's so hard. I don't understand. I was 24, you were 24.
Jesus!
Let me stop skating me around. Okay. Might as well pick that up. Pick it up. Pick up the pump. Now let's see here. Now that we have this, where do I go to organize my inventory? Do I press I? No. What do
There's
I
no
press?
inventory in Zombs.
How do I organize it?
You don't.
Oh
There's
yeah,
no
you can.
inventory.
You can organize it. Okay. Wait. There might be something good in this chest. Guys, hope for the best. Hope for the best.
Prepare for the worst.
Oh, darn it. Hope for the best, prepare for the worst. Oh, finally. Finally, I won't be slipping and sliding. I have the pump shotgun.
Frick! I'm coming in!
I don't want a Glock.
There's nothing you can do
Mm.
against the beam.
Please
I
stop.
just died of fall damage.
Please stop.
Ah!
Ooh, epic scar.
Spawn killing!
Stop! It's my video, not yours. What the? No. Why do you have shield? Why do they have shield? I need to use my medkit. Bye. Oh no. Thor's hammer is inbound. Is that a mythic sniper? No. I'm at 52 HP. I'm so scared. Oh! The heck? Die! Die! How much health did they had 23 HP. No. Okay, guys. Since I'm so bad at this game, I'm just gonna play in a squad. Yeah. Oh. Ooh, I have a tryhard on my team. Hello, teammate. How are you doing today? Iconic. I'm just gonna land Lucky Lake again. Boing, 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 boing. Okay, jump, 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 jump. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, flying past the stars, little light night. Gimme! Stop! Oh my god! Did I seriously get a mythic? Baba, I have a mythic.
Nice.
Ah!
God damn it.
Okay. I have a big shield.
Whee!
And then...
Come on.
What's a gift launcher? Gift launcher? Gift launcher? What's that?
What the heck?
People on my team are just dying. While I'm just chilling. Yeah. Chilling. How much health does this get? Oh, it's basically a slurp. What should I get? I'm gonna get rid of this big pot. First, I'm gonna drink it. Oh, it only gives you 25? No. No. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a hunting rifle? Okay. I need a shotgun though. This gave me no shotgun. I'm surprised. Is that drum gun? Oh, Tommy gun. Okay. Oh my god! Let me get the freaking Tommy gun. Guys. Oh my god! What the? I didn't... Get him! Seriously. Seriously. I'm ready for you. I feel like he's waiting for me. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave. No! Yay! Guys, we got somebody. No! No! I got 1 kill. We got 6th. That's good. I'm probably not gonna win. Actually, guys, I'm just gonna end the video here. Make sure to subscribe!